Good evening, everyone. I just want to give an update on the flood situation in the Breede River system as well as the Olifants River. And, I think a lot of people are probably sick and tired of this news. But at the moment, the threat is still very real because a lot of this water is moving towards the coast. And this is going to take 24 hours to 48 hours for the Breede River massive water to get to Witstrand. And then the same with the Olifants River system, where the Klein Willem Dam is overflowing now, and all 13 sluices have been opened with masses of water coming past Citrusdal at this stage, headed towards that Klein Willem Dam. So, with regards to the Breede River system, I've been getting updates from there from various sources, and someone on the ground that is a farm basically on the river and giving me updates. The river passed the 2024 flood mark earlier today, early afternoon, and is still rising at this stage. And there's many areas that people have considered would be outside of flood zones that are a meter to 2 meters underwater right now. And that massive water is headed towards Witstrand, it's headed towards Malgas, those areas. And people that have rivers, river homes, boats, jetties, etc., you need to bunker down. You need to make sure that you wrap up what you can, save what you can. If you're within the flood zone, the 100-year flood zone, you are going to be affected. So do leave those homes. Do not stay there. The water also is rising extremely fast. The people that gave me feedback said it's the fastest rising of the river they've ever seen. There's many people being rescued still that only has access to them by boat because they've chosen to stay in their homes and there's no access by cars to these people. Many of these elderly people that has never seen the river that high in their lifetime. So this is truly a 100-year event, and on the flood data map, it has now been updated for the Breede River to a 40-year flood, where earlier they reduced the flood warning down to the same as the flood of 2024. It's gone more than 2 meters in height beyond that, which is many multiples of cubic meters per second more than you got in that flood in 2024. So if you look at the flood data now, it says 1,350 cubic meters per second. It's much, much more than that. So that data is delayed. It's showing over 1,000 cubic meters per second for the Olifants River, 1,350 cubic meters per second for the Breede River at this stage. But these are delayed. And a lot of water is still coming from the Sierra side that feeds the Breede River catchment area. There's just massive flooding on all the side streams as well. The N1 blocked off in many different areas due to mudslides and rock slides as well as flooding. So we will still see how this affects areas where it might not be raining at this stage. So you get areas now that see flooding where there is no rain, and it's often flash floods that people do not expect. So be on the lookout for that. Be careful, be vigilant. This is not a time to think that this is a joke. People's lives have been ruined in many places, and I've been particularly focused on these Boland catchment systems because of the rain that was forecast in the area. And I knew, because I know those rivers personally, I fished on them many times, I know them from top to bottom, I knew that this was going to be disastrous if that amount of rain would actually come down. And it's difficult for people to predict how the water would behave. So the water rose today in the Breede River system to the 2024 level, where it rose in 24 hours before, now within a quarter of that time. So it's a very different scenario. Many people call it flash flooding. However, the level is still rising at the moment. I will let people know when that level is starting to recede or stabilize, but this is not good news for the people further downstream. So please take extreme precaution and share this information with the people out there. I'll again put the link for that flooding map in the pinned first comment, as well as in the description of this video. Please take care.